The major feature we shipped in October 2020 preview is a launch of the completely new unified routing set of admin capabilities. In today's customer-centric world, the biggest question at the forefront of companies' mind is how to ensure the best and most effortless customer experience. And the answer is routing. Unified Routing suite of features ensure incoming work items are routed to the right queues with the right agents with the right skills at the right time, providing world-class customer service. Let's take a step back and walk through a scenario. You're Frida, an avid Xbox fan in Spain, and just purchased the Xbox Series S, but have a billing question. So on the website, you ask your question in the chat pop-up. Given it's the holiday season, you're not alone. There are hundreds of other people with questions similar to yours, and thus, hundreds of incoming chat and call cases are created. So how do you take all of these incoming cases, yours in particular, and correctly know what type of agent skills are needed to solve this case? For example, should the agent know Spanish or French? Should the agent be an expert in Xbox gift cards or discount code redemption? Next, let's focus on how to place this case in the right queue. From here, we can see that there are 3 agents available, so we need to make sure that your case is prioritized, given you're a gold customer. In your case, you'll be matched with Bert, since he is an expert in Xbox billing and is currently available. Bert is able to quickly resolve your concern. You end the chat feeling very satisfied and knowing you will be in good hands for all future purchases. Now let's shift hats and walk through what's happening behind the scenes. We'll now be Marty, a customer service admin in charge of setting up the routing that enabled Frida's experience. To get started, you go to a workstream and create work classification rules. You want to make it such that if Frida's or any other customer's language of choice is Spanish, then the agent that will be matched with the case will have Spanish as a skill. Additionally, if the word Xbox gift card is in the case description, then add Xbox gift card as a skill. We can choose to manually create these skills or let the ML model handle it for us. This work item classification helps ensure an agent with the right skill is matched with a case. From here, you, Marty, also choose to define route to queue rules, making sure that if the word billing is in the description, then the case will be routed to the billing queue, like Frida's case, which regarded a billing question. So now that Frida's case made it to the best queue, we need to make sure it's prioritized and assigned correctly. We can select from 2 default rules or decide to create our own. In our case, we want to make sure gold customers are treated with utmost priority. As in the case of Frida, she was a gold star customer who was immediately assigned an available agent. Now that we know which cases to prioritize, we need to decide how best to match those cases with an agent. For us, we want to make sure that if the case has Spanish as a skill or Xbox gift cards as a skill, then only those agents with those respective skills are matched. If multiple agents have those skills, then we can choose to round robin them or choose to create our own rules for ordering. And just like that, we have set up our routing rules. From the moment a case comes in to the time it's routed to an agent, we have made sure it's being routed in the most effective and efficient manner, leaving customers like Frida extremely happy and satisfied. As Marty, you can now rest easy knowing you are well prepared for the holiday season, knowing customers like Frida will have all of their questions answered promptly and seamlessly, increasing customer satisfaction on top of increasing Bert's agent satisfaction, given that he will now only get cases that he's an expert in, expediting his ability to resolve cases. In today's economy, we all know the importance of customer loyalty. With companies fighting to have the best in-class service, those that haven't invested in this space will soon be left behind. Routing cases to the right queue with the right agents that have the right skills improves customer satisfaction and loyalty, increases SLA compliance and service levels, and provides for a higher operational efficiency, saving you and your company significant time, money, and resources in every dimension. This feature is aimed at improving customer experience and broadening Dynamics 365's capabilities to do more and achieve more. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next release.